We're here at some garage here in Albuquerque. Check out what we have here. Oh wait, we gotta push one of these buttons here.
2 elevators here.
Yes. Because they actually replace these buttons. Very weird. Oh, we get the big one.
How you doing? How you doing?
Turn the 9.
All right.
I see you're wearing your TKEs.
Yeah.
I'm filming the elevators here.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Oh, make sure none of the vagrants get in them. That's right. Yeah. Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
Look at that. The TKE guy. Look, he's fixing the elevator. Must be something wrong with that. Do that flying again, eh? Look at all these mashed up buttons here. Look at this. So weird. How lucky. I ran into an elevator technician. He's fixing the other elevator, that's why. Stuck in 4.
Let's jump out here.
Ah, I'll take another ride. These buttons are pretty rare. Alex Lucy, since you told me about this, thank you. Thank you so much. Look at these are the rare buttons. These are like the VR replacement of these impulse buttons. But still they're custom. It's so interesting. It's a nice and big elevator. See? They replaced all the buttons. Anyway, that's the floor indicator there. ThyssenKrupp. Guess ThyssenKrupp maintains these things. But check out those rare buttons. Look at that. Very, very cool. That's hilarious, man. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.